Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street words. Today's word is shares. Now, it's a simple word. We all think we know what shares mean. I own shares in this company. But there's so much trading going on with Robinhood and free trading that people really don't pay attention closely to the fact that those shares represent ownership of a corporation. Now, there are two types of shares you can own in a corporation. You can own common shares or you can own preferred shares. But these are real pieces of ownership. Warren Buffett talks about people trading all the time and not really paying attention to it's like owning part of a farm. When you own shares, you own part of that corporation. Shares, that word, you're really the owner of the company. It's always important for people to remember that. When they own shares of a company, you're the owners. Today's word is shares. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.